Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, do you know what really grinds my gears?
I know a few things, and I'm good at actually pushing those buttons.
Shut up. All right. So what grinds my gears is when we're having a group meeting, right? You have 15 people on the call, and everybody's just expected to stay there for an hour and a half every single week. Meetings much, everybody?
That's what this means.
That's what this means.
Let them leave the meeting.
Let them leave the meeting.
I'm with it now.
Okay. So I charge you, if you are leading a meeting, to take the time to understand who has what questions, how long each question should take, hit those things early, and then let the people leave, right? There's so many times as a steel guy, I would come into a meeting and I wouldn't say anything until the very end. And it was usually like, Tyler, do you have anything? No. Okay, thanks. And I sat there for 45 minutes waiting for my opportunity to say that. How about we just say, let's plan this out a little bit. Let's take a little bit of time on the front end. Let's see what we might have to cover and plan for some people to leave. That way, we're not just wasting everybody's time.
Yeah, this is just plan for the meeting.
Plan for the meeting.
Think about who's going to be there. It confounds me how much payroll lands in a meeting.
Yeah.
Like how much payroll is captured by, we're going to have a meeting, and then all of a sudden 15 people get on the roll. And yeah, I mean, with various interests, like you may not need to be there.
Yeah.
I've seen this on BIM coordination meetings. They can be the world's worst about just having people hang out while, 3 people talk or 2 people talk.
Yeah.
Where they phase the time and they're like, all right, first 15 minutes is going to be for steel, next 15 minutes is going to be for mechanical, and so they phase it through, and you kind of know when to show up. You kind of know when you're going to be able to get out. So even if you want to be there for the whole thing, you kind of know when it's showtime for you. And when they get to you, they tell you. Then you can.
I like that idea of phasing it. Yeah, blocking it out in 15-minute increments.
It's just planning.
It is just planning. Yeah. But so often you get in these meetings and they drone on and
because they're not planned.
And they're not planned, and they're every week. And so this is my plea. Dear God, make the madness stop. Plan your freaking meetings so that you can let people leave early. And it's not just about the payroll expense. It's about they can be out doing other things that are good for the project and helping us get ahead in other ways. But also it's just respectful.
Yeah.
It's just being respectful of people's time.
I would challenge too, if you are a production meeting person, which I am, we have one. Be careful with that time.
Yeah.
Guard that time. You got your whole payroll a lot of times just chilling there while you're going over one person's stuff. Try to isolate and do your best to tell everybody in that call, high level. We're not getting in the weeds in this meeting. That is not the purpose.
We can do that another time.
That's
we can follow up after this meeting and dig into the weeds here.
Be considerate of other people's time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not everybody there needs to be in the know, especially if it's multiple different projects.
Yeah.
Right? This is not applicable to this guy over here, that guy over there. it does not matter to them. So just be respectful.
Well,
and it just takes awareness.
Unplug, let the other people leave.
Yes.
Much to the point, and then move on. Visit with that one person.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, a lot more efficient.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. I'm not saying that I'm perfect at this. This is a reminder to me as well to be considerate, stay focused, try to be prepared for each meeting, have a good agenda in place so that you can be effective. So there you have it, guys. Let the people leave. And with that, you can now leave. And thanks for staying to the end because you did help our retention. Anyway, go build something awesome.